Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about Evening Song. That is the piece on page 31 of the John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. This piece seems to be very easy, simple, because there is just one line for you. On the latest editions you will find student instead of pupil as far as I remember, but is exactly the same story. So I was saying, even though there is just one line for you student, it seems that it gives you problems. It's something that I'm noticing constantly. If I don't explain properly at the beginning, if I don't have enough time at the end of the lesson to explain exactly how it has to be done, and even if I explain many times, the student comes the following lesson and gets confused. It's very simple, this piece. Pay attention. First of all, let's start reading together. In this piece, when stems point downward, play with the left hand. Chick, 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 and so on. When stems point upward, play with the right hand. Here we are. I know which one is the problem, that at your age, especially if you are obviously a child, you are stuck now to the idea that these two notes have to be played by the right. This is the position that you might, so to be very honest, this is the most famous position for you, the one that you used in Thompson Part 1, and you were used to play these two notes that are, the bottom one on the first line is E, and the second one on the second line is G. You have been always used to play them with the third and with the fifth. Obviously we discovered at the beginning of Thompson Part 1 along the way that we have to definitely learn how to move the hand finally, yeah? So for you maybe it might be easier if you have to play them with the right, but they don't belong to the right in this piece. This is the point. You have to play reading simply and only in treble clef. You have to play with right and with left that are both written on one stave on a treble clef stave. And this is the problem, I can understand. Obviously then another problem could be the one of remembering which notes you have to play when you start playing the second count notes, the right hand notes. But please remember that these notes have been explained and learned just few lessons before, on page 27. In this new notes package, you get the notes that you need here for the evening song. So it's not that tricky, it's not that complicated. Okay? And now, I hope that now it's clear what you have to do. So simply place the left hand here on third finger on the E, on the right side of the middle C. This is the middle C, this is the E that you have to play here with the left. Yeah? And then the thumb obviously accordingly will be on the G. That is the top note of this bottom block of two notes. The right hand notes will be E bottom note and G top note, but we are in the following octave, not in the one that you know, that you've overused in Thompson Part 1 and beginning of Thompson Part 2, but this one, and using 1 and 3. And that's all you have to do, and you have to know. Now I'm playing at higher speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. It's almost not needed, this clarification, so you have just two options, two patterns, EG, EG, and FG, FG. Here only EG, here only FG, and so on. It's very simple, very, very simple. The only thing that can be definitely complicated is the practical aspect of these bi-chords, of this block of 2 notes. Obviously you have to train, you have to work very hard to play them exactly at the same identical moment. I know that you struggle to play them at the same moment. What I noticed is that either goes first of all the thumb down, or first of all the third and then the thumb. They have to go down at the same moment, exactly like playing 2 notes with 2 different fingers at the same identical moment. Same identical moment. That's all. Now, what can be interesting and exciting for you could be my part. I don't think that is needed any slow speed performance because it's so simple. So my part I want to play now, the teacher part. And as soon as you're ready, you can play along with my part, yeah? Okay? So, obviously you don't need to see what I do. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's very nice. It sounds quite interesting if you play these simple chords that you have to play along with my part, yeah? Anyways, I think that today it's more than enough. It's very, very simple. The only problem I think has been solved, the one of reading the notes for the right and for the left, or for the left and for the right, just on one stave, but it's simple, it's very clear, I think, now. Obviously, let me know if you understood, if it's all clear to you. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.